Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Inside upscale Hatfield Meadows, Ironshore, sits this gorgeous executive home. This lovely 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house spreads out from the grand room at the entrance, where you are greeted by a beautiful staircase around which the lower level flows. Here, a guest room with ensuite bathroom and home office, along with a delightful kitchen with lovely hardwood built-ins and oversized island can be found. This leads off to a cozy breakfast nook, which in turn flows through the family, dining, and formal living rooms, all open into a covered patio with a panoramic ocean view. The upstairs foyer runs along the length of the upper level, showcasing 3 bedrooms, two with ensuite bathrooms, as well as the master suite, which boasts a reading nook and a dressing area with walk-in closet, while the ensuite bathroom boasts both a shower stall and a jetted tub. The electronic gate, double car garage, indoor laundry, and helper's quarters all add to the package to deliver a beautiful home just waiting for you. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 1,950 or Jamaican $301,000 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.